Giovanni's best friend. Every time we hear his name, Antonio, all together we go like this. Our hero!
He knows stupid, but play along and it'll make him feel good. So one day, Antonio!
Our hero!
One day he was rowing up the Grand Canal of Venice in his gondola.
Rowing in his gondola.
Wait, give him a prompt. Don't make him do mine. Life's too short.
Row on both sides of your canoe, make a circle.
There you go. And as he would row to the city streets of Venezia, the people of Venice would come out. They would watch him row, for he would sing beautiful Italian love songs.
Sing.
So one day, Antonio! He was singing.
He was singing.
Oh,
Doesn't matter.
okay, don't push it. But suddenly he stopped. But he heard what sounded like a choir of angels singing.
Okay, everybody, hit a note.
That was good. Wow. That's the last audience. And then in a beam of pure white light, our hero saw her. She was the most beautiful woman in the entire world.
See.
A picture of virtue.
See.
She was beautiful.
She was beautiful.
She was gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
She was innocent.
Innocent.
She was sweet. She was delicate.
She was not clear today.
Okay.
Oh, you're nice.
All right. Let's just say it's some woman in the audience.
Okay.
But her name is Bonicia.
Oh, why you not say?
Oh, it's the last bit of the script.
Everybody knows the beautiful Princess of Bonicia. She's already wearing a crown. Here she is, everybody.
Oh.
Here's the Bonicia.
Let's hear it for Bonicia, everyone.
Yes, it does.
Okay, here's the deal.
Whoa. That's so
Can you do a video of this?
You want to look easy? Right here. This is the beautiful Princess of Bonicia. We love her very much. She's our princess. So every time we say her name, I expect you to give her the respect that she deserves. You go like this. Oh, baby!
So one day, Antonio! No, Bonicia! And from across the canal, these two, their eyes met, and they fell in love. Oh, it was beautiful. The people of Venezia, they saw the love between these two people. Every day, the love enveloped the whole city. She loved him so much, she would do the same thing every day. From across the canal, she would blow our hero a kiss. Wow.
Oh, very little kiss.
Yeah.
There we go.
A little bit. And our hero, he was swept off his feet.
Swept up his feet.
He had really tall shoes. These two carried... Hey, back. These two carried on like this for what seemed like a minute. She would blow him kisses. He would sweep up his feet. It's a kind of Canadian love, you know? Nice, but boring a little bit. He was hungry in the state of whatever, and suddenly into town there came a nasty man. He was an evil man.
No.
He was a lobbyist and a Democrat. He never left, but he got the other way. Whoa. You missed the Republicans. They were in there earlier today. He was a horrible scumbag of an individual. He was mean.
No.
He was nasty. And he didn't smell very well. And his name was Dennis.
All that build up for Dennis?
See, Dennis, the menace of Venice. I love the show.
But look around you.
See?
Where am I supposed? These are nice people from Maryland.